Hello. We are back. I don't think anyone's here yet because I'm a minute nervous wait, see? I'm a minute nervous. I'm a minute early because I'm nervous. To be totally honest with you guys, no matter what I cook or where I cook or who I'm cooking for, like you guys here, I always get real nervous before I start. And I think that's okay. I think it's a sign that shows I care. So here we are in my tiny kitchen again. I'm gonna try and keep today's episode shorter and just do a salad dressing. It is one of my, it's my recipe and I love it. I've adjusted it a little bit from something that Tim Herline taught me way long ago. And I'm going to show you guys today how to make Caesar dressing in your blender, nice and easy. So welcome to Hell Yes, Let's Cook with yours truly, Chef Yes. I think I have 2 viewers right now. Some of the ladies that might watch, and guys too I guess, will remember making this recipe with me. I did serve it quite a few times at Enjoy the Store in Red Bluff. Shout out to Kate Grissom. I'm missing you guys as always. And I hear that you've got a super fun deal throughout this Corona stuff, so I know you requested this recipe. This one is for you, Kate. And everybody go say hi to Kate in either Reading or Red Bluff and get your growlers or a 4-pack filled up. Moving on. Hell yes, let's cook. So here we go. I have my mise en place. I hope you can see them all right. I tried to work on the camera today. Mise en place, as you may recall, your things in place. I'm ready. So we are going to start with eggs. And I know people always ask, how do you crack your egg on the edge of the bowl or what? And I always do it on a flat surface. My mom taught me that one. And you get a nice crack. Also, what's very important is never crack directly into what you're cooking, baking, mixing. Nobody wants to accidentally get shells. Oh yeah, and I'm only using 1 whole egg and 1 egg yolk. And I'm gonna reserve that white for something else. Maybe the dogs in their kibble. Maybe, I don't know, a scramble tomorrow morning. You know, waste not, want not. Am I right? Okay, hold on, rinsing fingers. I hope everyone's doing well. I miss you guys, but this is kind of fun. I'm like in your kitchen, hopefully. Maybe I'm on your couch right now. Hopefully you're not watching me while you're in the bathroom. I mean, if that's what you like, cooking shows in the bathroom, cool. You do you, boo. Okay, anchovies. I like boquerones or boquerones. They're a white Spanish anchovy. Look at those babies. They're really mild in flavor compared to your jarred ones, but those work too. And look at me like on a fucking cooking show with little dishes. Okay, I'm putting in 1, 2, 3 fillets of anchovy. Then whole grain mustard. Mustard in this recipe is really important. Pay attention. Any mustard will do. Whole grain is my choice. Dijon works, yellow mustard works. You know what? Coleman mustard powder works. It's okay. Mustard is going to fill out the flavor, and it also works as an emulsifier, so this helps thicken. And you're gonna have a nice thick dressing when we're done, let me tell you. That was a heaping tablespoon? No, teaspoon. Okay. I would love to have Tabasco. I don't. We happen to have some Valentina in the fridge. Hot sauce of your choice, just preferably one that has a little bit of vinegar, and you're good to go. Oh, there's hot sauce all in it. Yum. Okay, some 1, 2, 3. Sure. All right. Worcester. Ha! I said it. Worcestershire. Yeah. Now you try. Okay, good job. 1, 2, 3, 4. I like Worcester. It's up to you. Hopefully you'll make this recipe more than once. And pepper, you'll fine tune it how you like it. Extra pepper, less mustard, more anchovy. No anchovy, it's cool. I think you can make it just without the eggs and fish too if you want vegan. Well, fuck. No, we're gonna put a shit ton of Parmesan in it, so no, it can't be vegan, sorry. I know there's a vegan recipe out there somewhere for Caesar dressing, and this one is not it. Okay, I have my cast iron here preheating. Put a little olive oil in it. I have quite a bit of garlic. I keep a bag of garlic cloves in the freezer, so these have been frozen. And if you put all this in your recipe, it would have a nasty bite to it. Too much raw garlic also give you indigestion. No thanks. I have a sensitive enough stomach as it is. So I'm gonna cook like 2/3 of these. No, maybe half, because you still want some bite, just not too much. Can you read my thoughts right now? Okay, putting this silly electric burner on 6, little olive oil in my cast iron. We're gonna let those ones cook while we do the rest of the recipe. You just wanna like get some of the sharpness out of it. Okay, these ones can go in the blender. If you wanna be real particular, you can always cut the germ or the little stem piece off your garlic clove. I'm not. Personal preference. We're gonna do, where did I put the knife? Lemon juice of 1 lemon, but I have 2 because I want to show you one of my tips about lemons. It is my favorite ingredient in the whole world. Can you see how this one has this big, gnarly, thick skin, and this one is that smooth one? This buddy's not going to give me any juice, and he sucks. This guy is awesome. So, I want 2 flavors of the lemon in here. I'm going to peel a couple strips. Yes, I washed it with soap, with my peeler. I want you to be careful not to get much of the white, because that's where it's bitter. So just a couple strips of your lemon peel in the blender. Now we're going to juice it and into a bowl, because we really don't want lemon seeds in there. Those are also bitter, somewhat like myself. So we're going to juice it, and this is my favorite way of juicing, with a fork. Squeeze it flat. You really get all the juice. Okay. And then you can strain it, but I usually just use the same fork to get the last little bits of lemon seed out. Come here, you little asshole. Alright, I got him! Okay, lemon juice in the blender. Moving on. Ooh, can you hear the garlic? Yeah. Give it a little stir. You want it to get like semi-golden brown, translucent. You'll smell it. Your nose knows, probably more than your conscious brain knows, about the food that you're cooking. And you should pay attention to what your nose tells you when you're in the kitchen. My secret ingredient is tahini. I always try to have a can of this. It never really seems to go bad. And it's also an emulsifier, and it deepens the flavor, and you get more of that umami. Nice. I'm sorry, that was a big heaping tablespoon. Okay. We got all those. We didn't get salt, but we're going to leave salt because, if you remember, your anchovies and your Parmesan cheese are quite salty, and you don't want to overdo it. Hi guys. So I'm not going to waste time shredding it. This is the only Parmesan they had at the grocery store in the neighborhood here. That's Knapp's. Knapp's Thriftway. Thrifty. And so am I. I'm probably going to use, honestly, damn near most of this little triangle. And I'm just going to roughly chop it so that it's not putting too much strain on my blender, but of course, because I'm a chef, the only blender worth having is this beauty right here. In there, cheese, boom. Okay, I think everything but our sauteed garlic, and our olive oil is in. So we're going to emulsify it, and we're going to call it good. And I think these guys are good enough. Turn that off. So I'm afraid that they're going to be a little hot for the egg that's in there. So I'm just going to pull them out into this bowl instead of straight from the pan into the blender. And I'm just going to spread them out and let them sit there for a second. And we're going to get ready. This is Matilda. Matilda, this is everyone. I like to name my investments. Makes them last longer in my superstitious self. All right. This is the only olive oil available at the store right now. So we're going to make do. Did anybody cook along with me? I wonder. Somehow I doubt it, and that's okay. Because what's cool is this uploads for later. All right. I'm going to go ahead and put that garlic in, and we're going to emulsify it. I don't know how loud the blender's going to be. If it's real crazy, I'm sorry. I also do have this, my plunger, just in case, because it's going to be pretty thick. And you don't want to burn out your motor. Definitely don't do that. Lid. Always start your blender in low gear. Please, nobody ever just turn it on in high gear. It's like a standard engine in your car. Be nice to the gears, please. We're going to emulsify slowly. Now we're shifting into third. Now we're in fourth gear. Nice and slow. Keep going! Oh my goodness. Oh, it's getting thick. When it stops spinning on the top, always downshift, okay? Always downshift. Yeah. When it stops spinning on the top, you're probably about as thick as it's gonna get, unless you get that plunger in there. Okay. So, let's taste it. What do you think? Look at that. Smell it first. My mom says you can smell if something needs more salt, and you know what? I didn't believe her at first, and she's right. It smells good. I think it's perfect. Can you believe that? I've only made this more times than I've like taken a shower in my life. It should be perfect. So that's it. Today was a short one. This is Caesar dressing a la Yes, and you just watched Hell Yes, Let's Cook. I think you guys are all pretty fabulous, and I hope you're staying sane. If I help that in any way, I'm so grateful. Thanks again. Happy cooking, and I'll see you tomorrow.